Did you recently recorded a video and for some reason you're looking to resize it? Well, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to achieve just that. So there are different reasons why people would want to resize a video. So recently I did a video shoot for someone and the video was quite long, right? And after editing it, she sent it to someone and the person told her that the video size was too big and he couldn't open it, so we needed to resize it. So I had to start looking for how to do that, right? And in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you what exactly I did to resize that video. So you already have the video recorded on your mobile phone or on whatever tool that you've used to record. Basically you need to have it on a mobile phone. So you're going to be using an app that I'm going to be showing you. So you come to your Google Play Store or your App Store and you go to search for this tool called Panda Video Compressor and you upload it to your phone, open it, and I'm going to show you how to and I'm going to be showing you how to resize the video. So first of all I'm going to be showing you the size of my video, the one I want to resize. So this video actually has a size of, let's see, it has a size of 52.1 MB. So after I've resized it, you're going to be seeing that the size is going to change. But before I do that, I would like to duplicate this video just so that I don't lose the original size. Okay, there is no need to do that because it's still going to be duplicating itself. So it's going to be giving me the resized version, and it's also going to be giving me, it's still going to maintain the original size of the video. Because one thing you need to know is that when you resize your video, the quality actually reduces, alright? So the resized version actually reduces the quality of the video. So this app actually has a lot of advertisements on it. So if you want to be able to use the one that wouldn't disrupt your work with advertisement, you can actually get the premium version. All right, so I'm going to be showing you. So this is how the premium, these are the different prices they have for their premiums. All right, so they have the yearly price, they have monthly, and they have weekly. So it's actually very cheap. So the yearly version actually is just about 11,900 naira, and the monthly you have 1,900, and weekly 500 naira per week. So it's actually very cheap. So if you want to subscribe to any of the packages, you just click on any one you want to use and then you subscribe. But for me, this is not something I do all the time. It's just the one-off thing, so I don't exactly need to subscribe. But if I want to do it, I'll just maybe quickly do the weekly subscription plan and I'll go on. So for you, if you are maybe a video editor and you are looking for a tool to help you resize your video, you can actually use Panda Compressor to do that, and then you can do the subscription plan so that you can do all you need to do without disruption, right? So you as part of the setup, you would have to give this tool access to your photos, right? So you can either give it access to some select photos on your gallery, or you can give it access to all your photos. So for me, I'm just going to give it access to all my photos by clicking on allow access to all photos. All right, and then here it's going to be giving you a view of all the images, of all the videos on your gallery, and then you can now go on to choose which one you actually want to compress. So for me, I want to compress this one that has 52.1 MB, so I'm going to be clicking on it, and there are actually different sizes you can compress it to, right? So we have small file size, we have medium file size, we have large file, and we have custom file size. So for this custom, you might want to change it to whatever quality, or whatever you might want to compress it to whatever size you want to by yourself, or you can choose from any of these options here. We have the small file size. What this does for you is that it compresses it and gives you a low resolution of 640 by 360 resolution, and it reduces the size to 5.10 MB. So from 52.12 MB it reduces it to 5.10 MB. Alright, but then the quality is actually low, but they said it's acceptable, but it might actually be quite low. Then this one is medium file, and they said it's better quality, and it reduces the MB, the megabyte, from 52.12 to 16.99. But then this large file can compress it from 33, sorry, can compress it from the original one to 33.99 MB. I think I'm going to be going with the third one. So it actually depends on how large your video is. For this video, it's not very large, so if you compress it to this large file, it's still going to be maintaining a so basically it doesn't even reduce the quality. It just, what it does is that it just compresses it. Alright, so let's see, let me use this one, but then it's going to be compressing it from 52 MB to 53.99 MB. So let's use this one. I'll click on large file, and then I'm going to clicking on I'll click on compress. But look at this custom file size. Say I want to change it according to how I want it to be, so I can actually compress it. I can change this, I can change this to suit whatever I want, and then the resolution also, I can also change it to suit whatever I want. So this is custom. Alright, but let's go with this large file, and then I'll click on compress. So it's going to be taking a while to compress, and let's wait for it. Alright, so it's finished compressing, and you can now see it's in original and compressed. So the original was at 52.12 MB with a resolution of 1920 by 180. So the compressed one is now 33.99 MB, and the resolution is now 1280 by 720. So after you're done, you can click on save. Alright, so once you click on save, it's going to save it on your gallery. Alright, so let's check our gallery, and we're going to be seeing the two videos are going to be reflecting there. Alright, so this is the compressed image. So this is the compressed image. Let's check. So this is the compressed video. Alright, so this is the compressed video. You can see it still maintains its quality because it wasn't really changed. The resolution wasn't really changed. It was just compressed. Another obvious reason why you might want to actually compress a video is to save up space on your device. Alright, so let's say you don't have enough memory space, and you still want to keep this video on your gallery. You don't want to delete it. You can actually compress it to save space on your device using Panda Video Compressor. Now note that I am not advertising for Panda Video Compressor. I'm just using it as a tutorial for you. Alright, so if for any reason you need to compress a video, you want to reduce the size, that is how to do it. So if you found this video valuable, please click on the like button, and also share this video to your network to help them learn how to achieve this as well. And if you're also new on this channel, kindly do me a favor and hit on the subscribe button so that you won't miss out when we post videos like this, showing you how to do simple things in the online space that makes your work very easy. And we also teach how to make money online as well. Alright, so thank you very much for staying until the end of this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.